this is a story of famous dog. For the dog that chases its tail will be busy. These are clapping dogs, rhythmic dogs, harmonic dogs, house dogs, street dogs, dogs of the world unite, dancing dogs. Yeah, counting dogs, funky dogs, nasty dogs.
Untied dog in a telematic society ain't your average Huckleberry hound. Why must I feel like that? Why must I chase the cat? The dog in me.
Nothing but a dog, yeah.
Why must I feel like that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but a dog in me. Why must I feel like that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but the dog in me. Why must I feel like that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but the dog in me.
Why must I feel like that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but a dog.
Do the dog catch it, dog catch it. Do the dog catch it.
Do the dog catcher, dog catcher. Do the dog catcher.
Why must I feel like that? Why must I chase the cat?
Nothing but the dog in me. Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but the dog in me.
Bow wow wow yippee yo yippee yay.
Bow wow wow yippee yo yippee yay. Bow wow yippee
up in my new Seville. My tribe went down in the Hall of Fame, cause I'm the one who shot Jesse James. Pound for pound, I will never break down. Big Bang. No sir, I don't mess around. Oh!
Like Kemosabe, of course it's me, better known as the Master G. I'm fucking them squads, sense the danger when it's stung by the rapping ranger. Had a little talk with my medicine man. He said, get them squads fast as you can. To all you girls that wanna join my tribe, just move to my rhythm and feel my vibe. Put up a fuss, in the end you'll agree. But when you come inside my TV, as I said before, you can sense the danger when you're stung by the rapping ranger. With Silver and I take a ride, all you chicks better step aside. I stay with squads, then run away. How Silver is what I'll say. How?
Just rock it out, finger popping till the break of dawn. Keep it rocking like the stuff that we call me.
What's that?
Hot butter popcorn. You just hip a hop a dip a pop a bang the book. You wicked bet you wanna boogie again. You can put me to the test at your request. I rock you out of your moccasins. Kemosabe got down, took off his mask. He kicked off his shoes and did the monster mash. Tonto came along, saw what was happening. His head began to bop and his foot started to pat and go slam. Tongue to the jerk. With the mic is how my smoke signals work. They were jamming off a record that said it best. Now what you hear is not a test.
Unga, 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 unga. Unga, unga, unga. Tonto, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Kemosabe, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Custer, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it.
is fun and we've just begun.